Today, we are fixing a very common problem on bench sanders like the Biltema BDS915 and its many rebranded versions. If your machine starts but shuts off instantly, the culprit is usually this: a faulty magnetic no-volt release switch. In this video, I will show you exactly how to replace it. Before starting, unplug the machine from the mains. Wait a few minutes to allow any capacitors to discharge. Never work on electrical components while they are live. Open the switch housing by removing the screws. Remove the bottom cover of the power switch housing. Take clear photos of the wiring. You must reconnect the new switch exactly the same way. Disconnect the wires carefully and use needle nose pliers if necessary. Then press the retaining clips and push the switch out from the front. The model of the old switch is KJD20-2. Time to go shopping. This was the last switch from Biltema and the order took 3 weeks. Price €12.90. The color has changed, but otherwise the power switch is the same. Check the picture to see how the old switch was installed. Insert the new switch into place until the clips click. Check the wiring from the picture you took. Reconnect all wires exactly as before, ensuring tight connections. Close the housing. And secure the screws. Now reconnect to mains and test. The sander should start and stay running. Test the emergency stop and confirm that the machine will not restart automatically. That means the safety feature works. My bench sander is back in action. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to the Cafe X Machina YouTube channel.